In this video, I will show you the way I'm learning fretboard. The way I approach it is to choose the note and play it on every string and spend at this note at least a week. So if you choose firstly note C, it will go like this. Over here, and this I will do with every single note. Firstly, focus on the first note, then choose another one. When you know your note, it's important to learn your triads. Firstly, for triads, choose those three strings: C, E, G, E, G, C, G, C, E. It's good to sing it and realize what inversion you play and what are the notes around. You repeat it and do it like this. When you know your triads, the first step is to play with the notes around, and you're kind of starting to improvise, which is super fun. This is the moment when triads starting to make sense for me. I know here is root position and here was third. That means that here is the second. So we can do minor third, now we're at the C again in this inversion. If we go to our second inversion, which is over here, so here is our third, which is E, and here is fifth.